Is powdered sugar just ground up white sugar? Think again. Today, we reveal the surprising additive that prevents your frosting from clumping into a solid block, changing everything you thought you knew about this kitchen staple. Powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's or icing sugar, is produced by milling standard granulated sugar into an incredibly fine powder. However, the process involves more than just grinding crystals. It requires a specific chemical adjustment to make it useful for bakers. Because this fine texture has a massive surface area, it absorbs moisture from the air rapidly. To solve this, manufacturers mix between 2 and 5% of an anti-caking agent, usually cornstarch, potato starch, or tricalcium phosphate, directly into the sugar. This tiny amount of starch is crucial because it absorbs excess moisture to prevent the sugar from caking and clumping together. Without this additive, powdered sugar would turn into a hard brick in your pantry within days of opening the container. The result is a product that dissolves incredibly quickly in liquids compared to regular granulated sugar. This unique texture allows it to create smooth, lump-free finishes when used for delicate frostings, glazes, and icings without leaving gritty residue. Understanding this distinction is vital because using regular granulated sugar instead of powdered sugar in a recipe can ruin the texture. While fine sugar has smaller crystals, only powdered sugar with added cornstarch guarantees that perfect melt-in-your-mouth consistency. So the next time you reach for a shaker of white powder, remember, it's not just ground sugar. It is an engineered mixture designed specifically to stay loose and dissolve instantly in your desserts. Now that you know the science behind the anti-caking agents, try making a batch of frosting and see if you can spot the difference. What's your favorite way to use powdered sugar? Let us know in the comments below.